Si Reid Hoffman, he is the co-founder of LinkedIn. And of course, he is a billionaire, an American entrepreneur, and also an author. Ang sabi ni Reid Hoffman, the fastest way to change yourself is to hang out with the people who are already the way you want to be. Kumbaga, kung gusto mo maging mayaman, just spend more time with people na mayayaman na. Kung gusto mo maging matipid, kailangan yung mga kaibigan mo, mas marami sa kanila, siguro mahirap naman na lahat, no? Dapat ang mga lagi mong kasama ay mga matitipid din. Okay? Kung gusto mong pumayat, kung gusto mong maging mas healthy, then find a circle ng mga health buffs. Recently, nag-e-enjoy ako na mag-gym, as in workout sa gym, magbuhat, no? Dati kasi nagsimula tayo, nag-brisk walking lang tayo, nag-jogging tayo, and ngayon, nag-gym na rin tayo, nagbubuhat na rin tayo ng weights. One of the things that has motivated me throughout these recent years, no, is yung mga nakikilala ko, nakakakwentuhan ko when I go out and work out. Doon pa lang sa brisk walking na nasimulan kong habit nung pandemic, pag naglalakad ako, nagiging familiar yung faces na nakakasalubong mo, especially if you always go out or work out ng same time and same schedule. Malamang, one of these days, bigla mo silang makakakwentuhan, yung simple or casual smile, magiging conversation, and you will gain a friend. Yung isang friend na yon, may papakilala ka, makikilala mo yung ibang tao. Then it becomes a group, a regular group that you can spend more time with, and that will motivate and inspire you to continue with the good habit that you're trying to learn. So kung gusto mo maging health buff, spend more time with health buffs, no? Of course, pagdating sa finances, it's definitely the same way. Kung gusto mo maging matipid, huwag ka masyadong makipag-interact with people na magagastos. I'm not saying to end the friendship or to avoid them. Ang sa akin is, if you think about the time that you spend with these people, dapat mas marami pa rin yung oras na nakakakwentuhan mo, nakaka-interact mo, yung mga taong you want, yung mga good financial habits nila. Naalala ko ito nung nag-opisina ako, no? Doon sa department namin, mga around 8 kami. Yung initial na magiging kaibigan mo, of course, is yung mga katabi mo ng cubicle. And itong mga katabi ko sa cubicle, mga magigimik. So, first few months of my corporate work dun sa particular company na yon, talagang gumigimik, lumalabas. Not only during weekends or not only Friday nights, but kahit na weekday, Tuesday after work, magyayaya uminom. Alam mo yun, sabi ko. But masarap kasi sila kasama, kaya talagang sumasama rin ako. However, I noticed na I'm just there. I'm being stagnant with my work. So sabi ko, if I want to progress dito sa company na to, I should also be friends dun sa mga alam ko na very serious, no? Or not totally serious na boring na, no? Itong mga to, these are above average employees. So what I did was slowly, I introduced myself do sa mga iba kong ka-department na alam ko ito, mga masisipag magtrabaho to mga to. Minsan I eat lunch with them. Pag may sweldo, I tell them na gusto nyo kumain sa labas. No? So eventually, I realized na I am spending equal amounts of time dun sa mga masisipag magtrabaho and dun sa mga mahilig gumimik. However, slowly, na a-appreciate ko na parang pag umuwi ako, I feel more fulfilled kapag ang nakasama ko for the night ay yung mga masisipag magtrabaho. Marami ako natututunan, may mga insights ako na nakukuha that helps me become more inspired and motivated in going to work the next day. So that's another personal experience that proves itong point ni Reid Hoffman. The fastest way to change yourself is to hang out with the people who are already the way you want to be. And hanging out with the right people has definitely helped me improve myself, develop yung mga traits, learn the habits na gusto ko para sa sarili ko. And definitely that's something that you can also do. If I want to have a microdose of learning, yun yung term ko doon, may microdosage ako ng online learning. I go to LinkedIn kasi marami nagsishare ng mga insights doon, mga bits of information and educational content. So, the co-founder of LinkedIn, si Reid Hoffman, ang sabi niya, the fastest way to change yourself is to hang out with the people who are already the way you want to be. So, mag-audit tayo nung mga tao na lagi nating nakaka-interact, lagi nating binibigyan ng oras. Ito ba yung mga tao na gusto nating maging tayo? Sino ba yung mga idol natin, or not really idol, but sino ba yung mga ina-admire natin sa social circle natin? Maybe it's about time for you to reach out, try to see how you can engage with them, spend more time with them. And if anything has taught me through these years, maraming benefits ang matuto kang mag-network. So, reach out, learn how to network, learn how to talk to people that you don't know, learn how to make a friend, and that will pay dividends in your self-development, in your career development, and in helping you reach your goals in life. That's all that I wanted to share with you pagdating dito sa quote na to. Sabi ni Reid Hoffman, a billionaire, an American internet entrepreneur, and most especially the co-founder of LinkedIn.